Everybody's saying that 200 naira. Why is it on 300?
Because I use inverter to cool my drinks. And if it's a problem, Babatunde, go to them. Go to their shop. Why are you not going to them? And the Lord told me that I was going to be tempted of the devil today. So it's you that they sent from the marine kingdom to come and tempt me.
Ho 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 ho. Compliments of the season. Happy Xmas everyone. And today I bring you guys a new movie. It's your favorite girl. Of course, the name of this movie today is Ingrate. Now this movie is starring Bam Bam, Deza the Great, Mandalene, Malaika, alongside other amazing actors, actresses, and cast and crew. Now, this movie is practically about a young girl who she's from a small town, so she sees what her dad goes through in that town. You know, when you're from a small town, everybody knows everybody, and most of the times most people use the fact that they know you to rip you off. Now her dad runs a bar, so most of the times these people in quotes who knows him, they come to his bar, they drink, they don't pay up. So she felt like she needed her dad to get married to somebody who does not take nonsense. Do you get? She felt like since she was going away because she was going to a catering school which was far away from her house. So she needed her dad to get married to somebody who she felt would protect him, who would stand up for him because of course he's a quiet person. Now there's this thing that we say opposites attracts. And yeah, I've seen it play out time and time again. We mostly see it that we will see a very quiet person, and this quiet person will end up going to get married to a fighter, a war. Like it, it just happens. Well, how it happens, we don't know, we don't understand it, but opposites attract, and that was exactly what happened in this movie. Now, this calm man ends up with the lady that he saw as like a troublesome person, a fighter, but somehow, they got attracted to themselves and they ended up together, which is weird because at the beginning of the film, he did not want to have anything to do with her. He didn't even want to cross the same path that she was on. And to think that his daughter in question never even liked this woman at all, but at the end of the day, as we would always say, opposites do attract, and all that ends well ends well. So, guys, that aside, I think I'm on a roll this period. I have put out 4 to 5 movie reviews just today. I am so proud. Okay, I am giving you guys back to back movies for Christmas. So, this is my Christmas gift to you guys, as I would always say. So, please endeavor to watch till the end. Trust me, each movie I put out is carefully picked, is hand selected, carefully watched, carefully picked. I'm giving you guys movies that you guys will sit down and enjoy with your loved ones during this Christmas. Okay, there is nobody that will tell me that the movies I have put out, especially for today, trust me, you would enjoy every bit of it. Okay, guys. So please head over, watch the movie. Guys, let me know what you guys think about the movie. Now, this is where I say please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is totally and will always be free. Let me know your thoughts about this movie. Okay? And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the movie Ingrate. Thank you. Bye.